Well, I finally finished painting the bed. I'm gonna do a little walk around, show you my little paint booth set up. It's a Harbor Freight portable garage. I got two filters there. They pull the fumes out. And I have this one. It's a blower. It blows the fumes that way, and that pulls the fumes out. And the bed came out pretty good. I wet the floor when I paint. And now I'm just going to show you the paint job. Came out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. The bodywork I'm happy with also. Pretty straight. There's a lot of blocking, especially these inner panels. And it came out really nice. And this is the tailgate. That's it for now.